If you've ever accidentally deleted a Facebook post, photo, or video, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you how to recover it step by step. This is a really useful method if you removed something by mistake and want to bring it back quickly without starting over. So if this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more simple tech tips and Facebook guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your phone and go to your profile. This is where you'll find your personal activity and the tools you need to manage deleted content. Once you're on your profile page, look for Activity Log. Tap on Activity Log to open a full history of your Facebook activity. This section is very helpful because it shows different actions, including content you've deleted. Now, inside Activity Log, look for Trash or Recycle Bin. Depending on the version of Facebook you're using, the label may be slightly different, but the purpose is the same. This is where deleted posts, photos, and videos are temporarily stored before they are permanently removed. So if you deleted something recently, this is the first place you want to check. Once you open Trash or Recycle Bin, browse through the list and find the deleted post, photo, or video you want to recover. Take your time here, especially if you have a lot of content in your account. Facebook usually keeps deleted items organized so you can find them more easily. When you locate the exact item, tap on it to open the details. After that, look for the Restore option. Tap Restore to start the recovery process. Facebook may ask you to confirm your choice, so if a confirmation message appears, just confirm Restore. This is the final step that tells Facebook you want the item returned to your profile or original location. Once the restore is confirmed, the post, photo, or video should return to your account. In most cases, it will appear again just like before it was deleted. If you don't see it immediately, give it a moment and refresh your profile, or go back and check the activity log again. Sometimes the update can take a few seconds to show properly. It's also important to know that this method works best for recently deleted items. If too much time has passed, Facebook may permanently remove the content, and then recovery may not be possible. So if you think you deleted something by accident, it's always best to check the trash or recycle bin as soon as possible. And that's it. You've now learned how to recover deleted posts, photos, and videos on Facebook using your activity log and the trash or recycle bin option. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and it can save you from losing content you really wanted to keep. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.